So my friends, I have unplugged the camera and it boots, so yay. Apparently my VTX was drawing way too much power, so I think we're good. I just need a new camera now. I do want to give a shout out and a warning, a big huge warning, that while it was rebooting on 2 or 3 of the reboots, so what would happen, I would plug in my quad. Alright, so what would happen, I would plug in my quad and those tones would happen and I would get a beep and then suddenly it would reboot and then you'd hear it do the same, and then again and again, and it kept rebooting and I kept wondering why. And then it rebooted twice and turned on props, and this is a 2.8 inch, so it didn't hit me, but the props on one side went haywire. So this is also a safety warning out there. If you have an FC that is doing something strange, take your props off or power from USB, or do something other than continuously plugging in and unplugging, because if this had been a 5-inch quad, I would probably be reporting this from the hospital. And I'm not joking. These came on, this left side just came on whenever I plugged in. It's like it didn't boot correctly and it just turned the props on wide open. And yeah, so that's just a warning to everyone out there. If you have something going on, something shorting, something with your flight controller, either take your props off and take it safely so you can do some triage, or be prepared to get cut, because it scared the heck out of me. Even though these are tiny, tiny little props, I still didn't want to get hit by them, and fortunately it only grazed my finger a slight bit. And yeah, so have found out flight controller is good, so my memorial is a little short-lived, but I just need a new camera. Yay. Alright, so yeah, time to get an all-in-one. Alright, y'all take care.